Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Jura E8, and pretty much what we did is a tune-up on it, opening the group head, opening the brew unit, replacing all the O-rings, gaskets, and whatnot, lubricating the whole machine, cleaning it out, doing descaling through the tank, and doing a cleaning cycle through the pre-ground. So pretty much, we're going to do a couple of tests. We're going to test espresso, hot water, and steam. For espresso, and it's going to grind. This should be 1.5 ounces. Now it's brewing. System's filling because I did take out some water. So you're going to let it fill up the tank. Now it's going to brew. We are using our test coffee for this. Good shot. Then we're going to test the hot water function. As you see working. Then we are going to test the steam function. As you can see, running really well. Thank you for the pair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.